नमस्कार. म्हजें नांव ब्रुनो फेर्नांडीस. तुमकां सगल्यांक माये मोगाचो येवकार. आयुर्वेदीक नॅशनल हेल्थ सेंटर ह्या नांवाची एक संस्था आसा. 2001 वर्सान ही स्थापन जाल्ली सालिगांव मध्ये. फाटल्या 3 वर्सांक बोगनविला हर्मिटेज हांगा नासनोला ही संस्था आपलो ब्रांच सेंटर चलयता आनी हे संस्थेचो हांव एक डिरेक्टर. आतां ह्या मारेगाड टायमार, ह्या पिडेच्या टायमार आमीन योग विचार केलो आमच्या समाजामध्ये मांडून घेवपाक जे वनस्पती मध्ये जी मेडिसीन मेळतात, आमचे दोतोर आसलेले ह्या मेडिसीन प्लांट्साचे तुमकां गुण दिवपाक, हाजे वयर कशें डिकॉक्शन करपाक आनी हाचो लाभ घेवपाक. आमच्या आल्दोनच्याच गांवांत आयज आमकां खबर आयला हो मारेकार कोविड-19 व्हायरस आमच्या आल्दोनाय पावलो, गोंयच्या कोनशांनी पावलो. देखून हो आमकां दिसता आमची जबाबदारी ह्या वेळार आमी जो आयुर्वेदीक सेंटर चलयता, आमचे कडेन ते दोतोर आसात, आमचे कडेन तो मॅनेजमेंट आसा, हाचे लोकां खातीर हे डिकॉक्शन कशें करपाचें आनी लोकांक प्रिवेंशन इज बेटर दॅन क्युअर हाजे वयर म्हायती दिवपाची. दोतोर जिजीत तुमकां आतां सगल्यांक अनुभव दितलो, एक म्हायती दितलो. ही जी आयुर्वेदीक प्लांट्स आसात, हे जे आयुर्वेदीक मेडिसिन्स आसा, हाजे आमी कशें डिकॉक्शन करूं येता आनी आमी हो कोविड-19 आसा हाका आमचे भितर गुंतपाचो पयस धरूं येता आनी हो हाजो बरो पळमळ आमच्या आख्ख्या समाजाक फाकूंक शकतात.
Namaste and thank you, Mr. Bruno. I'm Dr. Jijit. Okay, so today I'm going to talk about the medicinal plants which is available locally. Medicinal plants are the gift to the mankind which is written in almost all the Ayurvedic textbooks like Chara Samhita and Susra Samhita. It is also written 3000 years back. What is the importance of these medicinal plants and what is the importance of identifying it, propagation of that medicinal plants or to protect it? We will try to understand a medicinal plant called Phyllanthus emblica, that is Amla. Amla is so popular in India. It can grow as a tall tree up to 19 meters. I will show you a specimen definitely. But why Amla is so important? It is proved that the immuno-boosting capacity of Amla is so popular. So widely available medicines like Chyawanprash is having one of the ingredients as Amla. When I said about the immuno-boosting property, in Ayurveda it is said as Rasayan. What is Rasayan? Rasayan is the medicines that will keep the vigor of the person and it boosts the immunity so that it prevent us from the ailments like asthma or any kind of such viral diseases. Now it's very non-factor that we are living in a world where the virus like corona is creating pandemic. So there is only prevention. There is no cure for it as of now. To prevent these kind of pandemic conditions, we need to have some habits of using such medicinal plants. So I will also further showing you how to use that particular plant. Indian gooseberry is a plant or a tree which is, here we have a specimen, which is a brown barked wood, which the wood is usually red in color. And here we also have a fruit. Due to this weather condition, we don't have the fresh fruit. These are the dried fruits and this is preserved in the sugar syrup. Now I will tell you how to use this particular fruit in this particular situation of COVID-19. Now these fruits are having a lot of antioxidants and this is well known as immuno boosters. So in the house, how we can make use of these fruits, that we will try to understand. Along with these fruits, I will also show you some of the other ingredients which we can get locally, so that with that we can make a kada. Kada means a decoction, which is like you put all the ingredients into certain amount of water and boil it for certain time, and then decant it or filter it, and that you can drink it every day like a cup of tea. Other than amla, we will also try to understand some of the common ingredients which will help us to boost our immunity. So here we have commonly known as Yashti Madhu or Glycidia glabra. Then we have black pepper, that is Piper longum. Then we have Guduchi, which is Tinospora cardifolia. Then we have Tulasi, the basil leaves, that is the botanical name is Ocimum sanctum. Then we have commonly in Konkani known as Tiki, the Dalchini, which is Cinnamonum xylanicum. Then we have ginger, that is Zingiber officinalis. Then we have the main ingredient called turmeric, that is Curcuma longa. These ingredients, whatever is available in your kitchen, you can take in a little quantity, put it in some water and boil it for at least 10 minutes. And this decoction, this liquid, you can take every day in the morning so that it will boost your immunity and at least you have some defense against the coronavirus.
तर म्हज्या गोंयच्या भावांनी आनी भयणांनी सलमता हाची तुमकां म्हायती पावली आनी हो लाभ घेवपाचो आमचो आतां सगल्यांचो टायम आयला. कित्याक हो पॅन्डमीक आमकां पोखरूंक लागला आनी आमी हाचे प्रे जावच्या आदीं, हाचे पेशंट जावच्या आदीं प्रिवेंशन बेटर दॅन क्युअर हें सोदून आमी फुडें वचया. आमी आनीक व्हिडियो करतले, आनीक जी मेडिसिनल प्लांट्स जी आमकां ह्या टायमार फायद्याक पडटले, तशेंच चिंतून पावसाचे दीस येतात, पावसांनी आनीक नवीं दुयेंसां आमचे मदीं येवंक शकतात आनी आमची कुडीची फ्राकसाण वाडोवंक शकता आनी हातून आमकां कोवीड-19 आनीक खावंक शकता. हे पासत आमी आनीक व्हिडियो करतले. हो व्हिडियो तुमकां लायक जाला जाल्यार तुमी लायक करात, शेअर करात आनी तुमचो व्हॅल्युएबल कमेंटूय आमचे कडेन पावोवन दियात.